everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own stretchy headband. It's super simple to do, it's very inexpensive, they look so cute and they're fun to make. You'll need elastic cord. I'm using different colors and different thicknesses. You'll need cord stoppers. Please ignore the bead in the video, that was for something I didn't end up doing. You'll need scissors and E6000 glue. Measure how long the headband needs to be to fit around your head loosely and double it. I'm going to go for 1 meter of elastic cord to make sure I'll have plenty to work with. Grab all the elastics you want to use for your headband and cut them to the same size. You want to have at least 3 elastic cords. I'm going to make a very thin headband, so I'm grabbing 2 thicker elastic cords and 3 thin ones. Line the ends of the cords up together and use something like a clip to keep them together. It can be practical to attach it somewhere to keep the whole thing from moving around. Now divide the elastics how you want to use them. We're going to braid them, so if you have more than 3 cords like me, group some. Start braiding. If you don't know how to do a basic braid, it's very easy. Just bring an outer strand over the middle strand so that it turns into the new middle strand, and then bring the other outer strand over the middle strand. Now that strand becomes the middle strand. Keep repeating these steps. You'll want to braid it far down. Of course, you could also add beads or other embellishments if you want to. If you're enjoying this video so far, please click the like button. Keep going until you've braided a large part of your elastic cords. Check if it is long enough by holding it around your head. You don't want it to wrap all the way around your head, as we're going to do something else for the ends. Once you think your braid is long enough, cut it and secure the beginning and the end by tying knots on both sides. Grab your cord stoppers and a short piece of thick elastic cord. Stick the cord through one of the cord stoppers and tie a knot near the end of your cord. Pull the knot into the cord stopper. Do the same thing with the other side of the cord. Now check to see if this length combined with your elastic braid more or less fits your head. Mine is a bit too long, so I'm cutting a piece of my elastic off and I'm tying a new knot. Put a good amount of E6000 glue into one cord stopper and push the beginning of the elastic braid into it. Add some glue into the other cord stopper and push the other end of the elastic braid into it. My cord stoppers are a bit too wide for my headband, but I had those and my hair will be covering that part of the headband, so that's okay. E6000 glue is industrial strength glue, so this will never come loose. Here's another example of a headband I made with elastic cord without braiding the cords, which is also very pretty. Here the cord stoppers are a better fit. enjoyed this little craft tutorial. If you did, I have an entire playlist of craft crafts and DIYs that I will link up here, so you can go and check those videos out if you're interested. I'm sure you'll find some other things you like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!